The reason why it is not getting opened up here is that I told you, right? By default, Django connects to your DB as well. What happened? DB needs to have some tables. So what basically would have happened till now is that, when you create a Django application, it would have created some configuration. But as a developer, you need to make sure that you keep all the configuration into the data table. So that's what it is telling. If you see the output itself, I don't know how many of you noticed, there is some red color icon. Says, look at that. You have 18 unapplied migration. It says more, and there are few things that is yet to be set properly. Okay, so now break the command, Control C, and then you need to run this command, Python manage.py space migrate. Look at that. Everything is set. Now only you can able to see list of DB list of table that got created. Now just go and refresh. Now you're getting this error. Site cannot be reached. Why? Because you need to make sure that the service is running. How do you make that surety? By running this command, run server command. So to make sure that your application runs without any hassle, without any trouble, you have to double cross verify that this particular command is always in a running position. Now you go and refresh. There you see. This is something that is getting by cookie, but you can see the admin stuff that got created. Okay, so you already did a migrate thing. That means you have created a data table. What is the next thing? Now Django gives you the privilege, or Django gives you the option of giving the user ID password for the default admin. How do you do that? Same thing. Break this. You have to keep breaking this. Instead, what you can do? Keep this running on one side. Open the folder and open in command prompt, and you can do the changes here so that that will be kept running at one end. So next thing is that Python space manage.py space create super user. Right, it is asking whether it needs to select my system name as a name. I don't say that. Let me create one for myself called Dhoni. Enter. You can set some dummy ID. Password Dhoni. Password Dhoni. When you type user ID password, you don't have that visibility. It is hidden. So you need to make double cross verify what you're typing. Since my user ID password is same here, it is asking whether I'm okay with that. I'll tell yes and enter. So basically what happened? I have created a user ID password for my admin. So now I can go to this and type this Dhoni. Look at that. It created one for itself. So this is the default setting that admin gives by default. Okay. Now you would have seen how perfect it is running an application using Django. Everything is ready made. The only thing is that do the customization as per your wish. But as of now, we didn't do any customization. Now we'll start doing the customization. The first and the essential customization that you're supposed to do is that